In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that I have developed for the gold 5-minute chart. Yes, guys, this is only for the gold 5-minute chart. And previously we have developed one indicator that is very strong for the 15 and 30 minutes chart. And I'm going to review the both indicators in this video. So first of all, please note that this is my website, that is fxmentorus.com. And into the indicator section, you can see my previous indicators. Like the bank selling one is my top indicator, that is a selling. Okay, and if you want to contact us, then use the contact us option from here for the Telegram channel and for the email. Now coming back to the video, and we are going to talk about this indicator. I was working on this indicator basically, that about our 15 and 13-minute indicator. When the market is giving a buy signal, there would no sell. So that is why I tried my best to add the indicator that is very powerful for scalping. Okay, now you can see for about the Friday moves. So what happens? First of all, it has supplied us with a sell signal. You can see price went down, then it has provided us with a buy signal, price went up, and then again during the late session on Friday, price again went down on gold 5-minute, and this is what it has already predicted during NFP, and it has worked very well. Okay, so now let's talk about the signals. So first of all, these signals are never repaint. Okay, once there is a signal, this is not going to repaint. Okay, now you can see in the morning session today, we have received a buy signal on gold 5-minute. It was up, and then we received a sell signal from here, and we have a downfall. Okay, so right now we do not have any other signal. So this is just optimized for the 1 minute 5-minute time frame. Okay, now let me show you that how this indicator provides you with a very quick moves. And let me tell you one more thing. When you have a pink arrow, it's a clear sign that this is the strong signal. Okay, when you have a red arrow, it represents that might be this signal is not very strong, but however, you can see actually the market went down, but this is the difference in between these two signals. Okay, now you can see the pink means that this is something selling strong, and later on you can see this was basically pointing you the strong selling from here. Okay, now let me show you that how it provides you with the very quick moves. Okay, so this is you can see the signal was supplied here, and then you can see, because this is not a small gap, if you zoom out my chart, then you will see that why I have developed this indicator. I have developed this indicator basically for the quick scalping. You can see sell from this level, and you can see price is down. Okay, now you can see you have a buy signal here. If you have entered from trade from here, then later on your trade was recovered. Okay, now you can see buy signal, the price moved up. You can see even small candle scalping, it is providing you like buy on this, and you can see we have 3 to 4 candles to make a good profit out of the trade. Now I'm going to show you everything, because this is a very good job that we have done on this indicator, and this is quite precious for me. Okay, now you can see, you can consider this one a losing signal. Okay, I completely agree to that signal. Okay, now look at this. Okay, you got a sell signal, even you got a pink arrow. Pink means that this is going very strong, and you can see the price is down. You got a pink arrow, price is down. Okay, now you just imagine that how much money we can make with this indicator. Just look at this. You got a sell signal right on time, you have 3 to 4 candles to scalp. Here you have only 2 candles to scalp. Okay, go back. Okay, this is hitting our stop loss, and this is giving us another profit. Even you can see against the trend, better the thing should be that we should not use any indicator against the trend, but I have optimized it in this way that if we catch something from it, we can definitely. Now look at this one. The blue arrow means that this is a very strong signal from the market, and now you can see how much the price has reversed from that level. Blue is the strong signal. Okay, then look at here, we have a buy signal, price went up, and even more up. Buy signal, price went up. Okay, buy signal, price went up, and sell signal, this is not short, because if I zoom out my chart, then you will understand that this is very good for scalping. Okay, now let's go further, and let's see where is with the next signal. Okay, so I'm just showing you step by step so that you can understand. Okay, we have received a buy signals from here, and you can see finally price was pumped up. Okay, now you can see buy signal, price up. Sell signal. Okay, zoom out my chart. Now you can see this is very perfect for scalping, because where other indicators lag, this is at least giving you a good profit. You can see buy, perfect. Okay, sell, you can see price is way down. Okay, let me show you more signals. Now just keep on working like this. Okay, this is our losing signal. Yes, I understand. Okay, so at most here at this level we have a stop loss. Okay, now look at this, another blue signal. I told you blue is very strong, and you can see the price pumped so high. Okay, if we go back, you see selling, price is down, You see selling prices down, and you see selling prices down, selling prices down. Pink, strong rejection. You can see strong rejection comes. Okay, that's a green signal buy, and you can see. So guys, I have shown you almost many of the signals, and this is optimized for the gold 5-minute chart. Okay, now let's talk about the indicator that we have developed for the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame. And you can get these both indicators from me from by contacting on Telegram or email. So this is called the historical 15 and 13-minute indicator. So right now I can amaze you, because if you just look at this, that on 30-minute we have a buy signal, I think so, on Friday, and then you can see the price moved up. We have a buy signal, price moved up, very good for scalping. Not for scalping, I mean for the day trading. You can see buy, price is up. You can see buy, price went up. You see buy, price went up. Buy, price went up. So buy, you can see price went up. Almost you cannot see any losing signal on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so let me show you more. Okay, so if we go back, buy, and just imagine that, have you seen ever such type of indicator? The answer is really no, because these type of indicators are not developed by anyone. Yes, we, after so much time, we have one losing signal here that didn't work. Yes, and one. Okay, let me zoom out my chart. Okay, so it has given reversal. Okay, just consider it losing one, no problem. You can see mostly signals are very good. Now I'm going to take you towards the 15-minute chart, because it's also very accurate on the 15-minute, but on very highly accurate on the 30-minute. You can see buy signal today, the price moved up. Okay, buy signal on Friday, and you know very well about this bullish rally. Okay, this is the losing buy before the NFP. Okay, perfect buy, perfect buy. These were the two losings. Okay, that's a perfect buy. Okay, including this, because it was changed by this buy. Okay, buy perfect. This is the losing one. Okay, winning, winning, and this is also winning because it was retraced. You can see winning, winning. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything. So these are the strong indicators that I have developed, both for the 15-minute and the 5-minute. Okay, so basically I provide these indicators in the form of set, and if you want to individually get, and now I'm telling you that the prices for these indicators are not like normal. They are at a huge price. Okay, so only those who can afford these beautiful indicators, they can contact me, because these are not a general buy and sell indicators. They are very strong indicators. Okay, so for example, if you decide to get these indicators, then you can come to Telegram. You can email us on this email ID, and you will get a reply from my side. But basically I want to protect these strong indicators from banks. So that's why we will keep this indicator in very less hands. Otherwise, if you want to get our general indicators, I told you the bank selling one is my best indicator. That is the that has a very good reviews as well. But this work is very strong. So for this work, definitely you need to do something. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe, and share this video.